Hello and welcome to day 2 of the Summer Organizing Challenge. And today it's the cords, the ones that you either just have dropped in a drawer, a container. But today I'm just going to share with you a couple of strategies that I use to help me really help my cords be very organized. So the first thing I called my tech savvy godson and asked him which cords I need to keep, which ones I need to discard. Because a lot of the cords I've been moving and moving with, and I've been keeping because of the different, pieces of equipment. And he let me know immediately, you need to keep those, but you need to discard those. So the ones I discarded, I actually recycled. And then the ones I kept, I organized. For example, and an inexpensive way to organize this is use a toilet paper roll. And you see, I just labeled it what it was, just put it in there, and it looks very nice and organized. Or you can use something as simple as a rubber band, specifically for these types of cords, because I don't use these cords, but in case someone comes over and has to connect something and needs it, it's always easily accessible. And what you can do is actually what I do is I have an organizer in my drawer and I have all the cords. They're either in a rubber band or they're either in the toilet tissue holder. So until next time, get ready for day 3. And I am here so excited that you're on this journey to live an organized life.